At UNO, my lab is a general bat ecology and conservation lab. The majority of the work I do is acoustic method based. Because bats produce high-frequency sound called echolocation, we put out those bat detectors that record bat sounds side by side into restored grassland and agricultural field.
My current role is field technician. My main job is essentially to check the sites because they're bat detectors attached to flagpoles with the audio mic at the top and then held up by ropes. So essentially my job is just to make sure they're upright and then change out the SD cards to save the data.
From the acoustic recording method, we generate data to understand the distribution of bats as well as the population trends. The reason bats are extremely important for the Midwest is that we are heavily agricultural industry based. In agriculture, there are all kinds of insects that would hurt the industry. Bats in North America, most of them are insectivores. If bats were gone and the effort was replaced by pesticides, I would say 20, 30, even $50 billion per year on pesticides for corn, for soy, for the common crops we have in this area. That's a huge chunk of money.
I would say it's important for UNO to help support this because not only are they helping the scientific community, they're also helping farms, where if you get the information out to them on why bats are important, they can change how they plant stuff to attract more bats, and those bats can help them by reducing their pest numbers, so it can also just help the agricultural community in general in Nebraska.
In this way, we can have more bats. The general landscape will produce healthier, higher yield crop. And then the restored native habitat scattered in the big farm landscape would support bats.